let's start here in underhand on your left. And we're imagining that your audience is on your right side, so I'm your audience. And then from here, I want you to wrap up the poi to make it shorter. So just choke it so that it's short enough that if you took the poi and you did a figure 8, you could bring it into your buzzsaw. And I don't know if we did this yet or not. And then you split the time like this, yes. Okay, so let's bring it back out, release, go to full length. We're gonna do that 5 times. So we'll go same time, then you're gonna choke the poi, and then flip the poi in and split the time so that you're in the underhand buzzsaw. And then while you're here, because in keeping with our 7-layer dip theme, let's just go down and up and down and up and back to the middle, and then we'll flip it back out, sync up the time, release the poi. Now we'll do this again. So choke the poi, make them short, flip them in, split the time, and then we're in an underhand buzzsaw here. Now this time we'll go up first, and then come back down, and then go back to the center, and then we'll flip it out, sync up the time, and choke the poi again, 3rd set, make it small, bring it in, you're in your buzzsaw, bring it up, bring it down, come to the center, and then we'll flip it out again, sync up the time, release the poi to full length, and now this is the 4th one, we're gonna choke the poi, flip it in, and then bring it down, bring it up, back to center, and then we'll flip the poi out again, release the poi to full length, and then from here, choke the poi again, bring it in, bring it up, bring it down, bring it back to the center, release the poi, flip it out, full length, and now step your left foot forward, sweep up over the top, come down and overhand on the right, and then we'll go into overhand weave on the right. And then let's try that extension of the right one on the home side, the left one on the home side, the right one on the home side, the left one on the home side, back to regular size poi. And then we'll do the weave fountain, turn left to underhand weave. So now we're on the left side in underhand weave. We only did the one extension, so let's try that. The left one in the home position, left one in the home position, left one coming home, the left one coming home. And if that didn't work out, no worries, come back to your regular underhand weave, and then open it up. And then we're gonna do that buzzsaw we just did, so choke the poi. It's gonna be short poi, flip it in, split the time, spread your legs, bring it down all the way, and now bring it up, 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 you're looking up. Now come back to normal, and now we're gonna release the poi to the outside, and then step your left foot forward, and I want you to sweep up over the top, spread your legs and stall between your legs. So this is that new move we did last week. You stall, then sweep up over the top and go back to the left side and overhand. And then we're gonna sweep back, step your left foot forward, sweep over away from me, so you shouldn't see me as you're doing it. Step your left foot forward again, sweep back toward me, sweep over toward me, sweep back toward me, come up to pinwheel, together time, and go big 3, moving to the right, 2, to the right, 1, and down and kick to the right, change direction, and up, and we're gonna go to the left, 3, and 2, and 1, and now down and kick to the left, back up into counterclockwise, come down on the left, overhand, then overhand weave, and then we'll do those extensions again, so left on the home side, and right on the home side, left on the home side, right on the home side, left on the home side, right on the home side, back to regular size weave, fountain, turning to the right, coming into underhand on the right hand side, turn back to the left to overhand, turn to the right to underhand, turn left to counterclockwise pinwheel, split time, and then come down on the left and overhand, spread your legs, double stall between your legs, sweep up over the top, now you're overhand on the right, and chase the sun clockwise, and around. And now we're going to come up to pinwheel, together time, and we're going to move to the left. So here we go. We'll go 3, and 2, and 1, and now down, stall, kick, change direction, and going to the right. 3, and 2, and 1, down, stall, kick, going to the right, and up, Go out to the left again. 3 and 2 and 1. Down, stall, kick to the left. Change direction again to the right, and 3 and 2. You're here like this. When you're going to the right, extend and then go back. Extend and go back. Extend and go back. Extend and go back. So boom, 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 boom. Front, back and front, and back and front. And then for this one, you extend, you go to the left, extend, and back behind. Go to the left, extend, and back behind. Go to the left, extend, and back behind. Because, you know, combos are built on progressively making it more difficult. Let's do what you were just doing, which was the counterclockwise version, but now move to the right as you're doing it. See if that resonates, and then we'll do it. And then on the fourth one, do the stall kick, and we'll go the other way. Okay, and now let your left hand reach across your body more. Here's what I mean. I want you to do more of this rather than this. Let's take it to the next level to make sure that we're really, because you're not going to practice this till who knows how when. Who knows how long when. Let's do this where you just, without the movement, go 1, 2, 3, down, stall, kick, change direction, and go 1, 2, 3, down, stall, kick the other way. Because it's different to be able to just pop right into it versus not.